know what it actually smells like? It actually smells like baby throw up. That's exactly what this smells like. What's up everyone, it's Stoney coming to you guys with a brand new video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you click that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be doing the rice water rinse for your hair. I've been asked in the past to try this out, and I've also been seeing this all around YouTube with different hair YouTubers trying this and getting amazing results. So I decided to give it a try and see what happens. Now, a little history behind rice water. Now, rice water was used long ago, even today, by women in Japan and China who are known for having very long hair. Now, it's been said that they bathe in rice water, and that's actually what gives them their long hair. So, of course, you know, this caught on and it spread. So now everyone everywhere is trying rice water for longer and healthier hair. But besides hair growth, rice water has other amazing benefits, such as it helps to repair damaged hair. Now, this is good for people like you and even me who use texturizers and any chemicals in your hair that will damage your hair. Rice water will actually help to repair that. Rice water also helps with detangling your hair, and it also makes your hair smoother. It also contains vitamins B, C, and E. So all of that is going into your hair when you're using this rinse. Okay, so pretty much what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need rice. It could be white rice or brown rice. It really doesn't matter. They say brown rice has more nutrients in it, but any rice is fine. You're gonna need water, and you're gonna need a jar. So what you wanna do first is you're gonna wanna clean the rice to get off any dirt or anything that's on the rice that you don't wanna go in your hair. So you're gonna get a container to put the rice in. That could be a plastic bowl or a cup or whatever. Pour a good amount of the rice in there. There's no really like set amount. If you really need like a specific amount, it could be like 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice, but just enough to cover a good amount of the container. Then you're gonna pour water into the container, then you're gonna use your hands, you know, just to kind of mix the rice around, just to wash it off a little bit. After that, you're gonna drain the water out of the rice, and you're gonna actually put the rice into the jar. Then you're gonna fill the rest of the container up with water. Put the lid on it and let it sit for about 24 hours. Now, 24 hours is kind of a good middle point. Some people leave it in for a lot less time. Some people leave it in for a lot more time. 24 hours is kind of like the middle ground. It's kind of the most common time to leave it in. If you want to do, you know, just a quick rinse, you can leave the rice in the water for about 30 minutes and then rinse your hair out with it. But it said the longer that you leave the rice in the water, the more nutrients go into the water, which makes it better for your hair. I can't imagine the Japanese women letting the rice sit there for days at a time. You know, I mean, if they did, kudos to them, but you know, people got things to do. Like, we don't have that long. Okay, so I've actually already done this process. As you can see here, I don't even know what this is anymore. It used to be water. I don't know what this is now, but I've actually let the rice sit in here for a day. Actually, it's been 2 days. What is this? Oh, I don't know if I'm putting this in my hair. Okay, that's the end of this video. I'm just kidding. Okay. Ooh. I was supposed to film this yesterday. Something came up. And so, yeah, it's actually been sitting here for 2 days. So this is 2-day-old rice water, which is actually good. You know, they say the longer it's sit in there, the more nutrients from the rice goes into the water. So, yeah, so this isn't just rice water. This is rice water right here. Okay, now I've seen videos where they say, like, you know, the rice water smells really bad, like after you leave it in for a day or so. They say to like put some type of oil in there, or just put like orange peels. I've watched this one video where the girl put orange peels in her rice water so it won't smell bad. I didn't do any of that, so I don't know how this is gonna smell. Right now it don't look too good. There's like stuff all, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what this is. I don't know. It looks like it's breathing. This will be the first time I'm opening this since putting the water in there, so hopefully it doesn't smell too bad. I don't really know. A lot of people say it does, so I'm kind of scared, but you know, I guess let's see how this smells. Ooh. Oh my. Ooh. Oh, what is this? People put this in their hair? Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Ooh, why did my mouth? Oh, I felt like I just drank it. Oh, I felt like I just. I might have to rethink this whole video idea, because this rice water thing, I don't know if it's really gonna work out for me, because this is just, I didn't really expect it to smell this bad. The Japanese used to bathe in this? I think these are lies. I think people are just doing. People are just saying anything for you to put in your hair. I was warned about the smell, and the smell is very real. It is very, very real. Next time I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put oil and orange peels. I'm gonna put banana peels. I'm gonna put any type of peel I find and put it in there the next time I use this. I might even throw some vegetables in there. All right, so this is how I'm gonna do it, all right? There's different ways you can rinse it out in your hair. Some people like to put it on before, during, or after you wash your hair. There's not really a right way to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go shampoo and condition my hair. Today, to shampoo and condition, I'm going to be using this, the OGX Shea Soft and Smooth shampoo, and I'm going to be using their conditioner. You guys can see it. And then afterwards, I've watched a YouTube video where they put the rice water in their hair and they put a deep conditioner in their hair at the same time. So I was like, oh, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna put the rice water in my hair and a deep conditioner. And today I'm gonna be trying a new deep conditioner that I've been wanting to try, which is Lay Hair Care Deep Conditioner. I've been wanting to try this. It's a deep conditioner with bentonite and mango butter. So there's a lot of trying out of things today. Oh, you also need a spray bottle because I'm going to be actually putting the rice water in a spray bottle and then spraying it in my hair after I shampoo condition it. Yeah, so that's what's going to happen. That's the process I'm going to use in this video. So now I'm going to go shampoo and condition my hair and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I shampooed and conditioned my hair. Now I'm ready to put this swamp water in there. So I actually put the rice water in a spray bottle just so it could be easier to apply to my hair. You know what it actually smells like? It actually smells like baby throw up. That's exactly what this smells like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it in my hair. Oops. Is it off? Oh, it's off. Stream. What's the other one? Spray, spray, spray. Okay, here we go. All right, now I'm gonna apply it to my hair. Just kind of soak it. Ooh. Oh, hold up. Whoa. Kind of a little messy here. I'm just going to kind of soak it in my hair now. Oh. Okay, so we're going to switch this up. I'm going to actually go and apply this in the bathtub because it's starting to smell everywhere and I don't want my room smelling like this. So I'm actually gonna go and apply it in the bathtub. Probably just take the top off and just like dump it over my head. And then I'll come back to you guys. I'll be back. All right guys, so I applied the rest of what was in the spray bottle onto my hair. So now my hair is like drenched and soaked into this with the rice water. And now I will be putting in a deep conditioner in there. And then I'm going to put a shower cap on my hair and let it sit for 30 minutes. Oh, this is, yeah, looks like a little like clay. Yeah. All right, let's put this in there. Now I'm putting a deep conditioner in my hair because I know I'll be rinsing it out. Some people, they like to put maybe like a leave-in conditioner, so that way, you know, they'll just leave it in their hair. They won't rinse it out, you know, they'll just leave the rice water and the conditioner in there. I'm not leaving this in my hair. All right, now I'm gonna put a shower cap on my head, let it sit for 30 minutes and rinse it out, and then I'll come back to you guys just to see the difference in what my hair was before and after. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes, so I've rinsed out the deep conditioner and the rice water. Kind of dried my hair a little bit, but it's still pretty wet. I gotta say, you know, my hair, it does feel softer. I definitely can tell the difference of how it feels. It feels softer. I definitely got that rice water smell out of it. But of course, like I said, you know, my hair is still pretty wet, so this is just it right after me rinsing the stuff out. So I'll keep you guys updated. Also, you know, it's gonna take, you know, maybe like a week or two for me to actually see the actual effects of, you know, the rice water, because it's not like a grow your hair overnight type of thing, you know, so it might take a while to see the results. And so yeah, but I'll keep you guys updated and let you know like how it works out, and I might do an update video just to let you know how it worked, and you know, if the rice water did work for my hair, if it grew longer, if it got stronger, and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried rice water, or if you guys are going to try rice water. If you did try it, you know, did it work out for you? Let me know in the comments. Click the bell to get notified on every new video I post. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.